Sometimes I hear the phrase, just get out of your comfort zone, but if I find it scary or uncomfortable, what if we can find another approach? What if we can grow from our comfort zone? And how often do I do whatever I want without self-judgment? Maybe it's reading, maybe hobby photography, art, drawing, maybe making something by hand, or just watching YouTube about gardening. Last year, when I felt struggling, I sat and wrote a list of my comfort zone and all activities I enjoy but do not do that often. And for me, it's reading, daily photography, being in the nature and countryside. It's all about animals and horses, drawing and art, new creative people, and activities like yoga and meditation that helps me a lot. And it's simple things that make me happy and which I want to do more. And days like today helps me to reduce anxiety and be more productive and creative because I have comfort things around me: countryside, horses, local food, and camera in my hands. And I know that tomorrow I definitely will be more inspired for new tasks, for ideas, even for my old tasks. And my comfort zone is a safe space where I can rest and gain an inspiration for new ideas. When our brain is always busy with routine, there is no space for something new. And write a question that bothering you helps, and try to find the answer within your comfort zone. Maybe it's a local walk, or watercolor drawing, or history book, or a new TV show about farming. Whatever can be like just your question and new activity or your daily activity around you. And the idea is to find new solutions, new ideas and decisions in life, which I already have. And for me, it's always about 4 points. Do what I already know, grow from new actions, search for new ideas from life around me, and do what brings me back into my comfort zone. Write it, note it, be open to new things, and keep doing what you already know. I'm not trying to build first and then grow from it. I'm just growing from the moment I'm already in.